morning guys, welcome back to Jainsons Adventure Gears. It's a great day, it's a beautiful day. Today's video is about the JAG IB Defender series rucksack. So what all features are there, what all specifications are there, this is all we gonna discuss in this video. So keep watching this video. As the name suggests, JAG IB Defender series, this is a tactical backpack. So as you can see, there are multiple layers of web molding for which you can attach the carabiners and all the other things on the front. There are Velcro patches. So these Velcro patches are given so that you can attach Indian flags and everything, whichever you want, like all these things. So see, there's a Velcro given over here. Once you remove it, you can easily just place it over here. And this gives a very charming look. This is sold separately. This is not along with the backpack. This is sold separately. So you can purchase this from our website. Just type JAG Indian flag Velcro patch and you'll get it. So this is the main specification about the bag is, it's a convertible backpack. So you can see, this is a proper 36-liter bag. You can see it's having a chest support, it's having a waist belt as well. So this is ideal for 2-day trips, 3-day trips, for travels, for everything. You can see. And this goes very well. It's a very unique print, it's a very unique color. There are different colors in this. There's a Z black and there is DG camo. There are 2 colors in it. Talking about the specifications, you can see this is a convertible backpack. So first is this the backpack. Second is this the handbag. So you can use this as a handbag as well. While commuting on trips, while on travels, handbag is very easy. So it's like if you want to convert into a handbag, just open this Velcro and very easily just put all the things inside, and this can be zipped up. So very easily this got zipped up, and now you can use this as a handbag. Another feature of this is a 3-in-1. So the third thing is a sling bag. You can use this as a crossbody sling duffel bag as well. So while traveling, while commuting, the weight distributes on different parts of the body, so it becomes very easy while you are on the go. And talking about the other features of the bag, there are different multiple zip compartments. One is the front one. So in this is a organizer one. There's a separate sleeve given inside. You can use this. Second is the front compartment. This is also very big. You can keep all your things. And third is this one. Here you can keep all your essential things like the sanitizer and everything. So you can see overall the design of the bag is very beautiful. The look is very good, and you can lift this bag like this also. And all these web moldings, I'll show you what's the purpose of this. So this is a carabiner, see, and this is a bottle. So if you want, just fix this over here, and you can attach the carabiner anywhere and everywhere you want. So without occupying space inside the bag, this carabiner, this web molding allows you to keep outside things, and it's very easy because the space you get is like very much more than what you have. The web moldings are given the side as well, and there are buckles over here, so you can attach a sleeping mat over here. Overall the design of the bag is fantastic, like the color combination, the design and everything is very good. So talking about the main compartment, as you can see, the main compartment of the bag, what all compartments are given inside it, will show you. So this is the main compartment of the bag. As you can see, this is a side opening bag and not a front opening bag. There's a laptop sleeve given over here, so while you are on the go, while you are traveling, you can use it. And there's a main compartment also given over here, so you can keep all your clothes and other things inside it. It's very big, like for 2 to 3 days trip, it's more than sufficient. You can use it while you are on the go. And talking about the back padding of the bag is excellent. You can see. So this is now a side bag, and once you just open it and you have to roll it over here, there's a Velcro given over here. You can see. So once you attach the Velcro, the bag is ready. There's a thin fiber sheet given over here, and for comfort the mesh is given. There are sternum straps, there are waist straps for better comfort. There are loops given over here, so on these loops you can again put like carabiners and everything. So these are the loops for additional space, and for comfort you can use carabiners. So overall this is an excellent bag. You can see about the fabric. The fabric is also defense grade Métis fabric, the fabric, the web moldings and everything about this bag makes it a great one. So if you want to order this bag, you can order it from our website. It's www.jainsonsumbrella.com. Inside Adventure Gears you will find this. And if you want to order from Instagram, we are having an Instagram page as well, Jainsons Gears. And if you want to visit store, you can visit our store as well. Our store is in Thane West, Stanberth, Uthalsar, Naka, Thane West. So everything will be given in the description box below. So if you have any other queries, any other doubts, you can call our customer care or you can visit our store. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.